I just completed this mask. It took 2 days, 5 hours, and 59 minutes. Now let's see over here. What does it look like? Let's see. That is what the computer looks like. Yeah, alright. Pull it out. It might go. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Okay. Yeah. It's pretty cool, actually. Let's see. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Now, I just have to sit here and peel this off. Let's get the front part for you guys. This Here we go. Some of this stuff comes off and it comes really clean, and other parts are just really hard. Okay. Let's see. That's not too bad. Let's see. I wonder if it works, actually. Not too bad. Alright. Alright. Well, here is one part of this mask, this 3D printed mask. I just did.